elementary families. Mrs. Herbert here, usually doing PE with kids in the gym, but until I can do that, I have made an online virtual PE classroom that kids can make choices. I change it every couple weeks. They can turn their activity logs and exit tickets in online if they choose, or you can keep sending them in with the K3 kids when they come in their packets. A lot of the online options are more fun than just choosing whatever they want at home, but as long as they're getting their heart rate up, I count that as fitness. So I'm going to show you what the online version looks like, and feel free to call me if you have any questions, or you can email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Here's the online stuff. Okay, so when kids get into their Google Classroom at home with their Chromebooks, they all have their own sign-in and passwords. They are going to have, if they're a K3 kid, it's going to say K3 PE or 4th grade or 5th grade. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on 5th grade to give that as an option. When they get in, it's always going to be on stream, so any message that I've sent the kid is always right here, or their assignments that are for that week are probably going to be right there on top, but I always teach kids to go right here to the classwork. Okay, and then right here are the choices for this week. Here's what a choice board looks like. So if I click on it, when kids get in here, there's always an information box, but this one says click here, and they'll get a video that explains what to do. Really, they can click on any of these costumes and it's going to take them to a fitness adventure, and they can always get back. So this one has some Halloween yoga, 2 different choices that they click on. If they want to get back to their choice board, they click the back button. If they want to go to a forest adventure, they can click here. There's 2 to choose from, then they can go back. The goal is for kids to do 25 to 30 minutes of fitness a day, which is raising their heart rate. They can always do more. They can do a combination of a few of these things. They can make their own choices at home with like a trampoline or whatnot. As long as it's recorded and turned into me, that's all that matters. If they are not a kiddo that likes Halloween, they can make a choice to use any of these other ones. Last week was also a Halloween. Any of their other virtual choice boards are always on here, and that's always an option to use. So here's what another one looks like. Again, here's some information. They could click here and get a video from me, and then clicking on any of these activities will take them somewhere, and once they're done with that video, they can click out of it and they'll get right back to their choice board. Okay, the most important thing is probably the activity log, which is in their classroom each week. They can click in here and they can type whatever they want. By the end of the week, instead of up here where it says share, they're going to click turn in. They don't need a name on here. If they click something on Monday, they don't need to save it. It automatically saves for them. Just turn it in at the end of the week. They could also do an exit ticket instead of the activity log. Again, just write in what they chose for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They can tell me what they really liked. They can tell me what they wish there was on there, and I can work on getting it in for them. And if they want to snap a picture of them doing their fitness and send it to me, that's great. Again, this will save every time they add something, and they're just going to want to hit turn in at the end of the week and it will get to me. If they choose to do the online turning in, then they don't have to turn in the paper in their packet if they're a K3 kid coming back and forth. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. That is what PE looks like online until I get to have kids in.